On YouTube, Bill Catches Pips here. Today's date is November 1st, 2020. Just want to go over the dollar index, give you guys my viewpoint on it, what happened with price the past few weeks, the past few days, and just kind of give you guys my sentiment on the market. Just looking at dollar, we can see on the daily chart, we took out this low right here, took out this low, took out liquidity. This was a strong liquidity point. And we can just see this really big rejection wick right here. You can see the market coming down to it, really respecting this rejection wick, not taking out this low and starting to surge. Just seeing all this up movement here and all this accumulation, we can kind of get a feel that there's a lot of liquidity being built right at this low. Right? You can see on October 21st, we came to this low, went below it. See that we came to this imbalance point right here, where we just had an imbalance. One side of the market was offered here, just went straight bullish, came inside of this imbalance right on this candle and started to really make its way to the upside right here. Gonna drop down to the 1 hour chart, observe price in the past 2 weeks. You can see that this is my indicator to differentiate each week. So I know this is the start of last week and this is the start of 2 weeks ago, right? You can see on Monday we had a sell-off in this imbalance right here. This imbalance, right? Low of this candle, high of this imbalance. You can see it came right to it, started to drop. You can see on the higher time frame, on the daily chart, came right inside of this imbalance right here on this candle and started to really make its way to the upside from that point on. You can see it go bullish here, coming inside of this gap in the market here. See how the market just gapped up, went bullish from here, came inside of it here, respected it, and continued to go bullish. Right, you can see on Friday ended up closing off right here, closing off bullish after tapping into this old low right here. Right, you can see last week we just had a straight up bullish dollar, right? It just went bullish every single day. You can see right here we just had an opening gap right here. Market came to it on a Tuesday, started to really go bullish after filling in the gap here. We didn't quite fill in the gap all the way, just came in 50% of this gap, started to surge. Market continued to gap, right? Gapped again to the upside, taking out this strong liquidity point here. You can see this equal highs, this double top here. Came to this double top, ran out this liquidity point, and started to go down a little bit, filling in this gap here, and continue going up here. Let's see on Thursday, we just had a little retracement, right? Just had a little retracement on Wednesday right here. Just was a retracement day right here. Now all it did was just come inside of this imbalance here. You see this imbalance? Came right here to this imbalance, started to drop a little bit, just retracing down for this little imbalance right here. Just zoom in here. Just came in for this little imbalance right here on this candle. And we can see 3 o'clock a.m. London session open, we just started to surge up. Right? Respected that imbalance and started to surge. We can see on Friday it just respected this imbalance point right here and started to make its way to the upside. Just looking at the price action of what happened so far, you can possibly see the market coming for this low, filling in this imbalance right here and making its way to the upside. If it doesn't want to come down here, if it really wants to be a runner, I will be looking at this opening gap right here and looking at the respect of this opening gap and making its way to the upside, and possibly coming down at this point and continue making its way to the upside for possibly this high up here, like coming for this high and filling in this imbalance right here. So I thank you guys for watching. If you guys like to learn more, check out the links down below, and I'll catch you guys later.